back to 20 car. If the future had a soundtrack, the 2025 Audi R8 Unofficial Concept would be the bass drop. This machine is not just a car, it's a rolling symphony of muscle, tech, and beauty that even Iron Man would trade his suit for. Looks that breaknecks. Sculpted like a Greek god with LED eyes sharper than a hawk's stare, the R8 Concept rocks a low-slung, wide-body stance and aggressive front splitter. That shimmering obsidian black with electric red streaks? Pure magnetism on wheels. Inside the beast. Slide in, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels straight out of a sci-fi film. A holographic dashboard, carbon fiber steering wheel with touchscreen controls, and suede-lined sport seats that mold to your soul. It's not a cabin, it's a command center. Under the hood. Here's the juicy part, an all-electric quad-motor setup pushing 1,000 horsepower. Torque vectoring wizardry keeps you glued to the pavement, while the AI-assisted suspension adapts on the fly, from 0 to 100 kilometers height? Try 2.2 seconds. Blink and you'll miss it. Rivals beware. Think McLaren Artura EV, Tesla Roadster 2.0, and Lotus Evija, but none flex this kind of dark charisma. The damage? Estimated $270,000, and worth every soul-shaking cent. Owning it. Insurance is pricey, maintenance is minimal, and depreciation? This concept's a future classic. Behind the wheel. It hugs corners like it's in love, glides silently, and then howls when you want drama. It's art you can drift. Pros and cons. Blistering speed, jaw-dropping looks, next-gen tech. Limited range, and your wallet will cry a little.